Hey guys, welcome to the HD channel, and in this video we'll be looking at the Madcatz Arcade Fight Stick Tournament Edition S. This was released on the PS3 in conjunction with the Super Street Fighter 4 on the PS3. But the main reason why I bought this was to play Street Fighter 5 on the PS4, because I couldn't justify myself to pay full price for an arcade fight stick on the PS4. This used one it falls into the same price bracket as a budget fight stick on the PS4. So I thought, why go for the budget fight stick when I can go for a quality tournament edition fight stick? So with this one, as you can see, it's got great artwork. It's got Ryu and Ken there, which I think is a great image. I love the picture because it's like black and white but with these red accents of colour, which I think it makes it look really classy. And also if you look carefully, it's like a glossy finish, but it does give it a bit of a, it's maybe because of the colours they've used for the image, it looks quite metallic. So hopefully this will give it justice and it come across to you the way I see it here. I think the artwork looks awesome. You can see on this one, it's the Arcade Fight Stick Tournament Edition S. Alright, so firstly, as you can see, the Arcade Fight Sticks, they include the Danche Shenhua buttons. As you can see, they're renowned for making the arcade buttons in Japan. They are premium rate buttons. They're not the cheap spongy buttons. These are the ones you see in the arcade cabinets with the 8-way joystick. It's got a nice satisfying click when you move it. You can see that's a Super Street Fighter 4 sign. Let's see, also they've also got buttons here as well. So it's got the turbo button here, so you can set any of these buttons into a turbo. So you want for turbo for any reason, you can have each one turbo. Obviously you got the PS button, PS home button, and also you got here the LSDP RS switch. Some people are not really sure what that means, but basically that means the middle's D-pad. So if I just get you, as you can see, a normal PS4 pad has the D-pad, the left analog stick, and the right analog stick. So basically, obviously, this arcade stick only has this, which is the same as the D-pad. So for whatever reason, if you needed to use the left or right analog stick, you would just switch this over. So left stick. So if I click that to left stick, that would make this into this stick. And obviously if I click it to the far right, to the right stick, then this will act and control this here, the right analog stick. So I thought I'd clear that up because there have been quite a lot of people on forums out there and are asking the same questions about this switch. They don't really understand what this switch is, so I thought I'd just quickly explain that. Also as well, you've got the lock button as well. Lock, unlock. Basically the reason why they have this lock button is because when you play in tournaments and you actually pause the game, then usually you would actually lose the round. So to stop that from happening, they have this lock switch here. So basically you can't accidentally push the buttons to pause the game. But obviously I just have this on unlocked, and you have to make sure that this switch is on the D-pad, because obviously when you're playing a game, usually that is actually the control trackpad that you use. So you just remember to put on the middle DP setting. Okay, I'll show you the back as well. It's a great quality arcade stick. You can actually feel the weight of it, and also the feel of it is a great premium feeling joystick, and also your wrist just rests brilliant on there. So if I just spin this around to show you, because I noticed that some reviews on these sticks do not actually show you the other side, so I thought I should give you a bit of a tour to show you. So on this side of the stick, obviously there's a start button and select button. So that's used in the game when you want to start or select anything. And also there's a lovely compartment. There's a lovely compartment here which packs your wires in really neatly. So if you open that, you can see your USB wire, and that just pulls over to your and plugs into your PS4 or PS3 or PC. So just USB. It's 3 meters long, so there's loads of wire for you to play with, and so you can sit far enough comfortable away from the TV. So just leave that for now. It's a bit fiddly to put in. It's a great size to put in your lap to play. So that's it, guys. So if you guys are thinking of getting an arcade stick for the PS3, or maybe even doing what I did and buying an arcade stick to play Street Fighter 5 on the PS4, this is a great buy. And it also works on the Street Fighter Ultra as well. So I have been using the same stick for Street Fighter Ultra, which is a digital game on the PS4, and also Street Fighter 5 as well. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Any questions or comments, hit them below. Click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel to get some updates on my new videos. And as always, guys, ciao for now.